I'ma fuck up my life. I'ma fuck up my life. We gon' party all night.
What is up, YouTube? And welcome to another video. Good morning, first of all, to everybody out there. Today it's gonna be a short video. It's like I'm gonna do a mini mod to the car. We're gonna be adding a front lip that they just I was curious. I was like, yo, you know what? Let's add a front lip to the car. And I'll be fixing a couple details that I need before King of Kings. So yeah, today is just a short day because I gotta work at 3, which sucks, and I don't have the whole day to do more stuff for you guys. Feel me? I wish I had more stuff, but you know, work. But anyway, I'm gonna drink my coffee, eat my breakfast, and once I'm done, I'm gonna be starting the mini mod. You're gonna see the front lip. The front lip, actually, I got it from a Subaru. Well, I got it from Victor. He just gave it to me, and it's actually from a Subaru. So let's see. I hope you guys like it. Hope you guys. If you don't, then it's just content. It's content for you guys. Thank you guys for the love for the last video. I know everybody's mad about it. Don't worry, I promise I'm gonna put a video or pictures on how it turned out. Trust me, it's fire. Came out dope. Like, I was surprised. Like, people was like, oh, you'll never have fit me with 16-inch wheels and stuff like that. You know what? I just proved them wrong. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna finish this and then I'll show you guys the front lip. See you guys later. Alright, guys, I'm gonna show you guys the lip. It's early in the morning, but man, we gotta grind, man. That's the lip. Supposedly it's from the Subarus, Subis. The Subis. I don't know which one or which year or which model, but the Subaru one. Alright, and yeah, we'll be putting it on this guy, see how it looks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out the bumper, then start measuring up how it fits and stuff like that, and from there we should be starting to drill some holes and stuff. Even though this one already has, obviously it's been used, but let's see. Hopefully everything works out good. Anything, I'll let you guys know, so stay tuned. Hope you guys are having a great day. Please, viewers, sorry about that. If you guys are new to my channel, like and subscribe. Trust me, you do want to subscribe to this channel. You guys are gonna love it, trust me. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys posted. Let me just take out the bumper and we're all set to go. Alright guys, I'm gonna first put the first drill in. Drill? I don't know, whatever. Really don't know what I'm doing, but hey, I'm doing it for you guys actually. So let's see how this goes. First one is in. Let's go get the other ones. These are too long. So yeah guys, here it is already installed. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. What you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, you guys let me know. And I will install this right now to the car. I just have to put two more how can I put it? A couple drills, a couple holes more, and it's set. But for me, it looks cool. ¿Qué tú crees, papi Joe? Dímelo. Mira. A mí yo creo que quedó bien. Quedó bien. No veo nada a lo normal. Solamente pues me sobró ese canto ahí atrás. Y este canto ahí. Que eso es lo que tengo que picar un poco y ya. Can't wait to put it on the car. Plus, I was fixing one of these bad boys that was coming out. I don't know why. So yeah, everything's set. Everything's set. We're ready for King of Kings, man. We're ready. We're ready. I'm just gonna put everything back in. The bumper, I'm gonna leave it for last. You know, I'm gonna leave it for last for you guys. And I promise, double promise, triple promise, I will show you guys the fitment Sunday, but actually it's gonna be uploaded Monday. So, and probably pictures. Probably the pictures come first before the video, but so you guys could see how it really looks. So it'll be Monday, but for sure, I will show you guys. I know you guys people was writing me saying why I didn't show the fitment. Why? Because I want you guys to see the video, how I was working on the car, how I was messing around with the camber, and to leave you guys excited for the next video, okay? Not today, obviously. I'm sorry, don't get mad at me. You know, I'm just trying to get some subscribers. You know, if you know anybody that would love to see these videos, please tell them to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share it, notification bell, whatever. You know, I'm trying to build up this channel for you guys. I'm doing it for the love for you guys. I appreciate every comment that you guys put. I see it. I hit that love heart, big heart button. Not every day I could comment back, but you know, I'm busy working as well and stuff. But for sure, I appreciate every love that you guys do for me. For real. I'm already sweaty. Ugh. Captain America, you already know, big fan, bro. So yeah, guys, I'm seeing the love. Hopefully we could do something big. Hopefully I could get new cars. I'm trying to get a Evo next, probably. Evo or Subi, or something very JDM. But you guys gotta hit the subscribe button, because if you don't hit the subscribe button, it's not gonna happen. You feel me? We're trying to build up. Anybody that's from Florida, big announcement. RicanStance officially has a chapter over there. So I don't know if you guys seen the first vlog for RicanStance. I think it was the first vlog or the second one. I am the president. I am honored. Thank you, Victor. I am honored to be the president for RicanStance Florida. It will be a new chapter over there and stuff. We will be doing big things. Trust me, we'll be doing big things. You guys will meet the crew. We already have a couple cars over there. They're already set, ready to go. Yeah, we're gonna kill it over there in Florida. You know, once my Shenron hits over there, it's not gonna be easy. I'm just saying, we're gonna be killing it. So anybody in Florida that's interested, we are recruiting. We are looking for people that want to join the crew. Yeah, if anything, just hit me up. I will be doing a Facebook personal page for you guys, so stay tuned to that. I'm gonna put it in the description below. What else? Yeah, man. So I'm gonna install this, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Hopefully you guys like it. Alright guys, I just installed everything. You guys ready? Kinda like it. It's not that bad. Let's make you guys have. Anyway, y'all ready? Y'all ready? I'm gonna show you guys the new look in the front. You know, hope you guys like it. And here we are, the new look. Actually fits perfect. So you guys already know. Subaru front lip, easy money, bro. Kind of like it. Of course, it's not down. I never dropped my car here in my house, so you guys can't see the fitment yet. But there it is, man. Closer look. Just a couple screws in, and you're all set to go. I think it's good. You know, it's not that bad. I kind of like it. Looks more aggressive now. Yeah, and the birds, I know. Let me just clean this off. It's kind of dirty, but there we go. It was just a couple rubber stuff. There we go, guys. So that will be the end of the video. Like I told you guys, it's a mini mod install. Nothing big and nothing. It's nothing that big, you know. But it does make a difference, you know. It gives it that look, that aggressive look. And I don't know if you guys can see it right there. You can see like a little camber there, you know. Camber gang, not even camber gang, but it's getting there. It's getting there, you know. But yeah, guys, this is another video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Share it with your family members. Whoever you think is a big 03 Lancer fan or Mitsubishi fan, JDM fan, whatever. My car is full JDM, guys. So yeah. You already know. Shout out to RicanStance and Voice Society. Oh, and shout out to Battle Gang. You know, we're gonna meet some guys over there too in Florida from Battle Gang. So yeah, we're gonna be doing big moves. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. RicanStance, Florida, here we come. Woo. See you guys on the next video. Peace.